Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear your data in Bing account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bing AI and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bing AI apps on in the screen, where you can see the profile icon at the top left corner. Just tap over there and now you can see the settings option. So you need to select that option, and now finally you can see privacy. So once you tap on that option, you'll be able to see the clear browsing data. So this is the option where you can clear the data of your Bing account. Now what you can do is you simply need to enable all these options, or you can choose any of the option which you want to clear, and now finally click on clear now and you'll be able to clear your data successfully. So basically this is how you can clear your data on Bing account, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.